right, so here's the beast. Go ahead and take a look at that. All right, this is the outside. The texture is amazing. It's unbelievable. It's large and in charge, as they say. There you go. You get a look at that. Love the colors. Unbelievable. Love the size. One solid door. All right, so this is the outside. This is facing the hallway, as you can see. Here we go. I'm going to close this smoothly. Slides beautifully. All right, there you go. Take a look at that beauty, huh? So very happy with that. Now this is the outside. And hang on, take a pause right here. We're gonna go on the inside and show you what it looks like in there. All right, so now we're on the inside of the studio. This is really cool. We wanted a whole different look and feel for the inside of the studio. You gotta take a look at this. I think you're gonna be impressed. Same huge door. Look at this craftsmanship. Take a look at that. Huh? What do you think about that, huh? Eden down home, are you kidding me? Oh, by the way, pug not included. There you go. We wanted something different. Texture is still amazing. I don't know if we can say, but kind of a chevron design, if you will, but still ultra cool, ultra amazing. And believe it or not, it makes the studio pretty soundproof as well. So I'll tell you, we are more than happy. Drew and the fellas, incredible. You get a chance to use them, I would recommend them. It's Rick, and yeah, Eden down home.